Hey everybody, it's me, Emma from the Craft Rabbit, and are you guys ready to see some of the worst slime mixing like your entire life? First of all, like this is my slime plate and it's crusty AF. So yeah, that sucks, doesn't it? Okay, so here are the two slimes I'm going to be mixing today. They're both by Sheesh Slimes, which is my good friend Mitchie. Here's Hollow, it's me, and then this one is Radioactive Ocean. Let me show you them separately first. So here is Radioactive Ocean. Do you see that shift though? That metallic shift though? Isn't that anticlimactic? Alright. I activated this, sorry. So it's not as like smooth as it once could be. Not its true potential. But yeah, still very nice. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's some good ass slimes. Okay, so there's that one, and then here is Hollow, it's me, which, okay, disclaimer, it's not hollow, okay, we get it, it's not hollow, you don't have to leave it down below, like, whatever, it's not hollow. Okay, oh geez, oh no, early onset slime mixing, what? That was unwarranted. Alright, so here it is. It's quite pretty though. My rabbit's on me. Bros. That's what that looks like. And that clicked though. That's what this one was supposed to sound like, but weak. Yes. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright. Let's get started. Okay. Let's make some thick logs, boys. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll just try my best. Like, thumbnail? Oh, geez. Slime mixing? Yo, this is crazy, dude. That color, like, exploded, dude. That's so pretty. Tell me this is not the prettiest blue slime you have ever feasted your eyes on. This is so nice. Let me see if I can get my fat fingers out of the way so you guys can actually see what's going on. Do you? Oh my, that sucked though. Yeah, I call the clicking sound the suck. That makes so much more sense. It's literally suction. Like, that's where the sound comes from. The suck. Hell yeah. Alright. Low-key obsessed with my new slime. By low-key, I mean very, because, oh my god, the ocean is at my fingertips. Screw the world, this is all I want. Oh, it's coming off really blue on camera, but it's actually more of like a turquoise. Yeah, I don't know what's up, man. But this is so pretty. Alright, I'm sorry if that was like a really awful slime mixing video. Like, it was literally like one slime, two slimes. Yeah. Oh well, you get what you get. Is that like a thing slimers do? Like, yeah, I think so. I watch enough slime videos to know. Alright, that's about it. Check out Mitchie. She made these awesome slimes. I just mixed them. Creds to her. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys enjoyed my funny commentary with my second slimes. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.